Hello, lovelies. What is up, you guys? So, if you want to know how to style your hair like the healthy way, from minimum to no damage at all, then keep on watching. Oh, hi there. Yeah. So I accidentally deleted the first part of the video. That was me just like spraying this all over my hair to protect it from heat. Beyond the zone, turn up the heat, flat iron protection. I just went wild. And I'm sorry. It's just some crunchiness, realness for you guys, so. Keep watching the video. You guys rock. I said. So first of all, I prepped my hair with the silicone mix bamboo leave-in conditioner, which is great for chemically processed hair. And I'm using the Helen of Troy professional blower from Sally's to roll my hair onto that and just work my hair like I was just using a regular blower. The good thing about this one is that this is a blower integrated into a roller hair brush, so it's easier working it on yourself. So you really want to give a nice shape to those ends. This is gonna be perfect for that. You just roll in your hair and work that in part. Really, I just can't emphasize this enough. Anyways, this blower it's very good for hair, like thin hair. It doesn't heat as much as a regular blower. Like, you know, that chemically processed hair, it definitely dries. It dries faster than regular healthy never dyed hair. So this type of heat is all you really need. You just really have to polish that hair, and you can see I'm touching the brush all the time. Like, it doesn't heat as much. It just gives what your hair needs right now. When I'm done brushing and blow drying that section of hair, I will give it a little twist to set that form, like that nice shape, that rounded like curly shape on the bottom that looks so cute. The hair looks so bouncy, so healthy, and it's great, really. So remember to like polish the hair from every angle. Like, always try to brush it every direction, but concentrate the direction on the shape you want. So if you want a shape that is inwards, then you should be below your hair. If you want the ends of your hair to be upwards, like if you have this look actually suits people that has a layered haircut. If you want it to be upwards, the ends of your hair, then you have to place the brush above your hair and work those ends in an upward motion. But for now, like, I'm styling it this way. I'm styling it like downwards because I just want that bounciness, that healthy look. So I'm just finishing off this top section of the hair. I got lazy. I didn't section that part. I should have, but you know, time is money and I have none. So just roll and brush that through. And now for bangs, I am using the Ions Titanium Platinum Small Flat Iron. Lowest temperature possible, because bleached hair doesn't need that much heat. That's why this blower is good for bleached hair. And when you're using flat irons, always use them the lowest temperature possible, because you don't need that much heat on your hair. Even though it's a little bit curly or something, then you can turn up the heat a little bit, but not as much like if you had normal undyed hair, like virgin hair. So I just use the flat iron on my bangs because it's easier to style. And you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Remember to moisturize your ends, and that is it. Comment and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. I'm so happy you guys are here. Thank you so much.